How to make vegetable animals.
Hi, today we're going to be doing some vegetable animals. I've got a whole lot of vegetables here and I've got some little samples here. They're actually, well, they're more like bugs, aren't they? In today's story, we heard about a guy called Daniel who only ate vegetables. So I thought this would be a fun little activity that you could do at home too. My idea is to get a piece of celery, chop it so it's just about that long, and either put some peanut butter or I'm using hummus in the middle. Yum. Next I'm going to get a little tiny tomato, and this is going to be my head. And I found this cool ass stuff in my cupboard called cloves, and they make some fantastic eyes. So I can pop 2 little eyes into my head. 1, 2, and then I can also make some antenna. In my garden I have some chives. I'm going to get 2 little bits of chives. Chop it just so. Then I'm going to grab a toothpick and I'm going to snap the toothpick in half and put the chives in the toothpick, and they are going to make cool as antennae. One antennae, 2 antennae, and I'm going to stick this right at the head of my celery. Oh, the eye came out. Let's stick it back in. There we go. Now I'm going to make a snail one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a cool cucumber. I'm going to chop off 1 circle and then plop it right there. And there we have one cool as little vegetable snail. I'd love to see your ones if you make them at home. Give us a picture, send it through, and have fun creating.